Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum reacted to our resistance area very nicely. I showed you in the earlier video today this descending trend line and explained to you that we should pay some attention to this descending trend line because it could stop this uptrend. And while it wasn't reached exactly, well, maybe I just didn't draw it properly, it reacted anyway to the 61.8 retracement level. And most important is that we wanted the price to react somewhere in this resistance area. And the forecast was for the price to not exceed 1648, but instead to sell off in an impulsive way to ideally drop down further in the coming weeks. Now that's at least currently being followed. Of course, the overall scenario can change, but as long as today's high stays intact, we can go with the current roadmap, which would send the price lower in the coming weeks, okay? Now, as long as today's high basically is holding, we have an immediate bearish setup. Why? Well, first of all, we rallied in 3 waves into the high, today, into the resistance area. Of the high, we've got 5 waves down, which is pretty awesome because it really looks like a textbook impulse to the downside. We had a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. 5 waves down, that's a pretty clear impulse. I'm currently observing if this wave 2 has started. I'm in favor of that idea, so that's my primary scenario. Idea is that the price should now move higher in wave 2. Yeah, this is a bit of a deja vu because it is basically the same thing that we talked about here, just in small. We also had 5 waves down into the 25th of September low, and then 3 waves up in a wave 2. Now this is the lower degree, 5 waves down and 3 waves up would be expected. Great short trade setup, smashed it today. This could be the next one, provided that 1623 is holding. I don't want the price in this scenario to sustain above 1623, which is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level of the move to the downside. So how should the move up ideally unfold? So let's take a look at that. First of all, we are watching for a 3-wave move, similar to what we had here. A wave, B wave, C wave. So this could unfold as A, B, C. It is not entirely clear if this was all of wave A already. It's a very small wave degree here we're dealing with. But as long as the price gets sort of into this region, I think this is a reasonable short trade setup. Maybe the B wave has now started. Okay, this is a bit speculative. And then the C wave should come next. As soon as we have a confirmed B wave low in place, the C wave should, we can calculate the target for the C wave. Obviously, for this assumption to work out, today's low needs to hold. And ideally, the price now does not break below 1587, which is the 78.6 retracement level. Yeah. Let's add the relevant support levels onto the chart. Yeah, this is B wave support all the way down to 1587, similar to here, where the price also reacted and made a nice rally. And let's see if that happens again. Price could still come down a little lower. Test the support area between 1592 and 1587. And then the C wave should be a 5-wave move. And that rally should happen over the coming sessions. I mean, it could still extend lower, right? But it is a 5-wave move down so far. So typically after 5 waves, we would expect a bit of a corrective rally into resistance. Yeah, zoomed out view suggests that from there, we should over the coming weeks move down in a third of a third wave, then the wave 4 and the wave 5, then another larger degree 4, 5, and another 4, 5. So there's plenty of room. Is it guaranteed to get there? No. I mean, technically, there are still other scenarios that could play out. We're operating here at the moment on a pretty small time frame, as you can see. Bigger picture, we're still in a broader range. And eventually, to really get going and confirm that we've left this range, the price needs to break below 1530, which would be basically the next key target for the bears. yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.